In this video, we're going to talk about the incredibly exciting Floki token.
Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any of your own money.
Let's get into today's video. So guys, over on to Floki.com. Link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out afterwards. If you are new to crypto, this is definitely something you're going to want to come and check out because it's got tons of different information available across all different sectors of crypto. You can see it's been featured on Forbes, CNN, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance, many others. The Floki ecosystem contains a variety of different things. It's got the decentralized finance portion, which you can see down here, also offers NFTs. You've got Floki places where you can buy merchandise as well as NFT merchandise. They have prepaid cards, Visa and MasterCard with Floki tokens, which can be used on Apple Pay and Google Pay, and also the University of Floki, where you can get a crypto education if you are new to it. But what we're going to talk about today, but something very exciting that's happening right now, is the launch of Valhalla, which is Floki's play-to-earn NFT metaverse. Also, since the launch of Floki, it's also seen the launch of a few different games, most noticeably its flagship utility project, which is an on-chain NFT gaming metaverse capture, battle, raid, and farm game called Valhalla. This game's got tons of different features and is suitable for all sorts of different people with a variety of different interests. This game is the first of its kind to use the crypto space to implement on-chain NFT interaction. And this is the first of its kind metaverse that actually pays its users to interact with the metaverse. The game itself runs on the Floki token, and everything you obtain whilst journeying through the metaverse can be then sold back for ENU tokens, which obviously you can then keep as an investment for the future or change to other currencies. Once you gain more tokens, you can also use them in other games on the Floki platform and use this to enrich your gaming experience. And as we can see, jumping over, you can see some of the different gameplay that you're going to be able to experience here. Obviously, it's kind of like a Viking type themed game where you have to do various different things, from capturing different islands and places, fighting different wars, and experiencing all sorts of different things within the metaverse. And this is quite cool because you can go into this area, play a game, and ultimately earn yourself some Floki tokens, which you can use for various other different things, whether that be real world utility or utilities within the metaverse itself. As you can see, Floki is listed on tons and tons of different exchanges, so you'll be able to find whichever one you're looking for. Obviously, you've got some here which are centralized exchanges, but you also have decentralized exchanges. All of these pretty much the biggest exchanges in the game, so it's a very legitimate token. Now, this basically started out as a meme token in order to sort of work within the ecosystem of the Floki ecosystem. But as it's developed, we've seen tons and tons of different features getting added, making it a really truly exciting and high utility token. There's a community called the Floki Vikings, which is over 440,000 strong, and they're on a mission to make Floki the most popular crypto in the world. They're known for epic social media raids and making Floki memes appeal to the masses. And here you can join the community either through Discord, there's also Twitter's, various other things. In terms of the utility, we can find out a little bit more about how that all works just by clicking on the white paper. And you can simply understand by looking at this diagram here how the token really works. So obviously you've got the DeFi aspect of it, Floki Places, Valhalla the game, and then the Floki University, and then a mystery project which is kind of up and coming. What else is nice is they are also working with various charities around the world in order to help some undeveloped nations to build different schools. They've already been helping in places like Guatemala, Ghana, Laos, and Nigeria, which is very cool, and they're calling them the Floki schools. So if we look into the DeFi aspect, they have FlokiFi, which is the umbrella name for a suite of decentralized finance products that will be launching under the Floki brand. And the Floki Locker itself is the industry's most innovative protocol for securing digital assets, securely locking liquidity, pools, tokens, NFTs, fungible tokens, and multiple tokens in just a few clicks, which would be great because you can earn different rewards. Did we mention that 25% of fees earned from FlokiFi are converted to Floki tokens and burned automatically, which ultimately helps the Floki ecosystem, because if you're holding tokens, it will burn tokens and removes them from the ecosystem, which makes it a deflationary asset, and therefore if it's deflationary, the supply is brought down, and supply and demand rules say that lesser the supply, if the demand goes up, will drive the price up of the Floki tokens as well. In terms of the marketing, it's been listed on some of the biggest stages in the world with high-profile football games and things like that. And coming down to understand a little bit more about the tokenomics, you can see there is a total supply of 10 trillion tokens, which is obviously enormous, almost too big to comprehend. 0.3% buy and sell tax on the DEX, which obviously helps for it to become deflationary, and also 25% off Floki locker, which is fees will be burned, as I mentioned before, which is cool because it starts to reduce the amount of tokens in the ecosystem. Now, something very exciting that's happening on the Valhalla game, or in the Valhalla metaverse over Easter, is an 8-day event where you can participate just by coming over and clicking on this link here. And you can find out here a little bit more about how it works. Okay, so Valhalla, a free play-to-earn NFT game that is powered by the Floki token. On mainnet, users will have to hold a certain amount of Floki in their wallet to make a character playable. Okay, so obviously you need to buy yourself some Floki, and we talked about how to do that through various exchanges. And then you can see, coming across to Floki Island, all of the different things that go on. You can do things like battle, where you can take on other opponents. You can raid in order to go and take things from other players. And then you can also do things like farming. You can also link up with other players and create clans. You can go on quests, craft, battle, so much more. And the Easter event will take place over 8 days and will also include 8 other mini games as well, which you can get involved in order to earn further rewards. For the Easter event, there's going to be tons of different games, such as like Easter egg hunts, all enjoying the kind of peaceful green ecosystem that you see before you, and you can participate with other players around the world. It's very cool, very unique, and something I've not really seen before, so it's definitely worth checking out. So the event is due to come up around the Easter holidays, but I recommend you go over and join the community or follow them on Twitter in order to see exactly when that's going to happen. So in summary, Floki is a very cool ecosystem, and the Floki token can be used for a variety of different things, from earning liquidity pools to participating in GameFi projects and so much more. Everything I've talked about today is available through the link down below in the description. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about NFTs, GameFi, crypto, and much more, make sure you hit subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.